Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit since I've posted. We've all pretty much been sick, so today's video is going to be how to make money off of an old junky tractor. There's a few things you kind of got to have to do it. Tools, a little eBay knowledge, and should be set. So we're going to start taking parts off of this. We've already got a few things off. We've got the hood off. That sold. I can't remember what it sold for. We sold the head. We sold the manifolds. Carburetor sold. We sold the front grille. But there's still quite a bit of goodies on this thing, and we're going to show you what kind of goodies we're going to get off and put up for sale. Here's where we're at with the tractor. Pretty well got everything we wanted off of it. Now we're gonna get the tires off with the forks on the machine because we don't feel like using a Sawzall. Got the fronts and the back to get off. Here's what we got off of the machine. We got the two brake pedals. Ooh, that's still hot. Pretty good condition. Got all the cast iron pistons out. We got the light brackets. We got the dash, the two transmission covers with the bearing races, I guess you would say. The hand clutch. I don't know what rod this is, but some hand clutch rod. Steering rod. Here's the shifter, clutch cover, PTO pedal, throttle lever. We got the rocker shaft. We got all the push rods, the valve cover, the starter. I think these are hydraulic hose holders. I think that's for the gas tank. A little water jacket mount. Got the oil pump and the oil pan. Alright, here's all the parts we collected. We're going to slowly clean them up with the parts washer and put them up on eBay. Basically, my dad takes photos of them in his office, and this is after we clean them up. They'll take a photo and put it up on eBay for sale, and someone will usually buy it. I mean, they're good parts. I'll bring you back out to the tractor. So we got the tires off of it. I'll put a bucket under that. I got a leak. But the reason we did this to this tractor was it was too far gone. I mean, the block had a slit, a huge crack in it from here to here. And to find a block for this thing would I mean, you can find them, but for a case SC, you know, it's just not worth it. It's at best a $1,500 tractor, and we're not trying to sink a whole lot of money into it. I mean, we got this thing for, I mean, we bought 4 cases, a DC, an SC, and another. I think we got 2 DCs and an SC, and this just came with it, and this one was just too far gone to even try to get running. I mean, it was locked up. The block is cracked. I mean, I'm not selling these, or these are going to the scrap yard. They're rusted out. No one will want these. The fender brackets are broke, welded back together. There's a huge crack in the bull gear in the back housing. I'm not going to be able to show you, but this tractor just had too much wrong to bring back to life. So she's going to go to tractor heaven. I know a lot of people don't like seeing this happen, but there's just too much to do for this thing. I mean, she's dead. She's permanently going to die. So, but at least we got some good parts off of it to at least help other people, you know, get some running tractors out of theirs that are in a little bit better shape. So that's pretty much it for this Case SC's life. It had a hard life. It was the 508th one made. She's now going to tractor heaven. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.